Lovely. Okay, doing a service call on a water heater I can barely get to here. I better hope I don't need to work on it. So it's full of water. We had a rainstorm, we had a tropical storm here in San Diego. There's a lot of water in here. Okay, so the pilot light is staying lit, but we got no blue LED, and the burner didn't kick over, so it's the valve. We're gonna bring our tools back here. Fix all this. I didn't see the blue light, so I checked the pilot light. Pilot light stayed on.
That could have been just going on the pilot.
Yeah, well, last time I changed this cover out, the blue light went on it last time. I think being in the sun bleaches it out, so you never see the status come on to tell you everything's okay. I didn't hear the valve click over either. But when I went to turn it on, I didn't feel any heat, but it was off when I got here.
It was off?
Yeah. I mean, I just assumed it was off. They sent me here. I just don't want to dig into this thing. These things are a pain. This particular model is a pain in the ass to get inside the...
Yeah, I went like, oh shit, they stuck the way over there, can't even see the window.
And I just drilled some holes. I just went ahead and drilled some holes in the bottom.
Yeah, let it drain out.
Let it drain out. That way when it fills up next time, it'll have a place to go. There's a little bit of water in there still, but... So it should be good. But I never heard it. I'm not hearing nothing. Well, there's no status light to tell you. No, not at all. It's not kicking over. So I think I'll have to put a valve on here. And then when you shut it off, well, we don't even get a red light. Well, maybe it wasn't lit. Now you got me doing this all over again, Pepe. You got me duplicating it. Yeah, I don't even see the pilot light. That's my trick right there.
That comes in handy.
Yeah, man.
You
don't have to hold it. Best $6 I ever spent right there. But yeah, I was gonna get a towel or something to put my knees on. Yeah, who installed this thing like this, huh?
Yeah.
Let's just point it towards the house.
Yeah.
I hate it when the people do this, man. I get calls like this all the time. Once you dig it out from behind all the crap that they got on it.
It wants to run.
Yeah, I don't even see a pilot light, so. I'm gonna go get my tools.
You got another one of those things?
Yeah, I got another valve, and I gotta check the I gotta check the pilot tube, see if it's blocked. go. Okay, so the Pizio igniter is bad for starters. I heard the valve. Click over, we got no blue LED. I heard the valve click. Still got pilot. Okay, it's running. I think the water was warm. So I'm probably fixing a water heater that didn't need to be fixed. Nobody told me. Way to go. That's what I think is going on there. And so when I went to check the LED, there's no LED, but if you look up in there, hopefully you can see. You guys can see it's going. 2016, so I'm going to turn this back down to A. False alarm, but we do have a bad cover.